Hi, welcome to another session providing you more insight into the CloudFrames product. Meanwhile, we have been shipping quite some CloudFrames environments and customers are sending us their first feedbacks. That feedbacks were positive. Customers praised the performance and the speed of deployments of the CloudFrames product. Now a team inside Cloud Founders that has contributed to this quality level is the quality assurance team led by Stijn Wijndaele. Stijn, can you explain me exactly how the QA process inside Cloud Founders works?
Yes, within Cloud Founders we rely quite heavily on the ITIL framework. ITIL framework is being used as a basis for the ISO 20000 certification, and the main target of the ITIL framework is a continuous improvement of the life cycle of our product. So basically from within the beginning, the design of the product, till the release in the field with our ops guys, we always make sure that the quality is being guaranteed.
What has been the biggest challenge so far?
Well, the biggest challenge for our QA department has been maintaining the performance, but on top of that, making sure that the product is really reliable. Therefore, we can now offer you with some astonishing numbers, like we are able to roll out up to 100 volumes on one box. Knowing that a VM has 2 to 3 volumes, this means we can roll out up to 40 VMs and even make sure that they are performing well. So this is a challenge, and I think we can say we succeeded in it.
And how are these results compared with other solutions in the market?
Well, our solution consists out of two components: the cloud storage router and the cloud organizer. The cloud storage router converts a bunch of disks into an intelligent iSCSI SAN. The cloud organizer gives the end user one unified view on its virtualized workload. Since there are no competitors out there who combine those two components, we simply asked the third-party provider to benchmark our cloud storage organizer. That third party selected the Dell EqualLogic to compare against our storage layer. Well, the benchmark results were quite good for us, meaning the Dell EqualLogic performed a bit better on sequential IOPS, while we outperformed them on random IOPS. And we all know that random IOPS is way much important in a virtualized environment than sequential IOPS. On top of that, the Dell EqualLogic solution costs way much more than ours, so in my opinion, it's an easy choice.
So what is your favorite CloudFrames feature?
My favorite CloudFrames feature is maybe not a feature where everyone should think of, but I simply like the fact that we can turn any x86 commodity hardware into a CloudFrames box. Okay, we offer also our own hardware, which is optimized for the performance of our solution, but the fact that you can use your own hardware and make it a CloudFrames box is a really neat feature. But of course, I can only say, try it out yourself and let me know how it works.
In order to understand, can you give me an idea on the intensity of testing that you've done?
Yes. Basically, we've run over 7,000 tests on our GA release. I think this is quite a big number, and we can only realize that because the main priority inside QA is automating tests. We have a continuous test coverage on all our releases, and that is the reason why we are able to get those numbers. We have GUI tests, we have backend tests, basically we test the full cycle. And on top of that, we also have a dedicated QA team which performs some manual extensive tests to guarantee you the stability that we promised you.
Okay, Stijn, thank you for this information.